How to send expiring photos in Telegram. Sending an expiring, self-destructing photo on Telegram is super simple and works great for privacy. And here is how to do so. First of all, open the Telegram app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Telegram account. Now, once inside the Telegram app, look for the conversation you want to send self-destructing photo to and simply tap on it. Now, once you're inside the conversation, all you have to do is tap on the link icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen. And now all you have to do is choose camera or gallery and select or take a photo. Now, simply tap on the camera icon available there or clock icon. Then select view once option available there and send the photo. After recipient views the photo, it will disappear after the timer ends. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.